Guten Tag. Welcome to another simple German conversation designed perfectly for beginners. Today, you'll learn how to describe your day using a simple German dialogue. At the end of the video, we'll summarize the useful words you learned, along with examples from the dialogue. Let's get started.
Hallo Papa. Hello Dad.
Hallo Mia. Ich bin zu Hause. Hello Mia. I'm home. Wie war dein Tag? How was your day?
Super. Ich bin um 7 aufgestanden. Great. I got up at 7.
Sehr früh. Very early.
Dann habe ich gefrühstückt. Müsli und Milch. Then I had breakfast. Muesli and milk.
Lecker. Yummy.
Um 8 war ich in der Schule. At 8 I was at school.
Was habt ihr gemacht? What did you do?
Wir hatten Mathe, Deutsch und Musik. We had math, German and music.
Und? War es gut? And? Was it good?
Ja, ich habe ein Lied gesungen. Yes, I sang a song.
Wow. Welches Lied? Wow. Which song?
Ein Lied über den Frühling. A song about spring.
Super. Was noch? Great. What else?
Ich habe auch gemalt, einen Baum mit Sonne. I also painted a tree with sun.
Das klingt toll. That sounds great.
Nach der Schule war ich im Park. After school, I was at the park.
Mit Freunden? With friends?
Ja, ich war mit Sam und Maya. Yes, I was with Sam and Maya.
Ich freue mich, dass du Spaß hattest. I'm glad you had fun.
Und jetzt bist du da. And now you're here.
Ja, lass uns Tee trinken. Yes, let's have some tea. Great job. You just got through a simple German conversation. Now let's take a look at some of the useful words you learned along with examples from the dialogue. Ready? Let's go. Nouns.
Tag.
Day.
Frühstück.
Breakfast.
Schule.
School.
Lied.
Song.
Park.
Park.
Freunden.
Friends. Verbs.
Aufstehen.
To get up.
Frühstücken.
To have breakfast.
Machen.
To do.
Singen.
To sing.
Malen.
To paint.
Trinken.
To drink. Adjectives.
Super.
Great.
Früh.
Early.
Lecker.
Yummy.
Toll.
Great. Prepositions. At.
Nach.
After.
Mit.
With. Well done! You've just picked up some useful German words and phrases for describing your day. Watch the video multiple times to get comfortable with the vocabulary. We post new videos regularly, so be sure to tune in. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, Guten Tag.